Hey, what's up? I'm Austin of Austin My underscore 238, and you are watching Trina Miller 100.
Alright guys, good afternoon. So we did start our afternoon off with some pretty intense high wind exceed to 70 miles per hour, and look what this happened. If you guys can see it, because there are too many stickers in the way, but that fence right there got damaged due to high winds, and now we're under a severe thunderstorm warning for Sedgwick County until 5:30, I think. So yeah, it is intense. First it was high wind warning, and now it did transition to severe thunderstorm warning. So the severe thunderstorm, it is the 70 mile per hour wind gusts. It is a very dangerous situation here. I mean, we live in a southwest part of the side, but I think it's for eastern Sedgwick County. So, yeah. But hopefully it will pass. Actually, it's already been past us, so, yeah. Look at this. So, I will have a picture up right now. So, yeah, that no fence. So, it got damaged due to high wind. So, once we fix that. So, yeah. Look at that. First, it got high wind with a little bit of dust advisory, and now severe thunderstorm. It is intense. So a lot of people had a widespread power outage, but for us, we didn't use power. So yeah, I'm very covered. So yeah, but I know the crews are gonna be delayed due to weather here, so the power restoration crews are gonna be fixing it. But I think it's gonna be delayed due to weather here. So yeah, but anyway, we see didn't lose power just yet. So yeah, but we live in the southwest side, so I got it covered. But the fence, it just got damaged, so they gotta fix that. Seriously, it looks like a tornado out here.
All of you for just being
Having
here
some
with me for the whole
cookies
journey. The whole
while
point
watching
of this,
Super Infused.
the whole thing was to share.
You guys can see it. He did fix the fence already. So that's why. Look at that. There's some hazy going on. Wow. Blowing dust. Oh man.
I'm going to do
Check it out.
$10
Lady
for
Bible
every
is live. Look at
10
that.
shares.
Alright guys, so the dust visibility has lifted, and also we're still under a high wind warning until 9 p.m. So yeah, but we didn't use power, so Lippy, I know you guys have lost power all over the city. Quinn Hutchinson, all that stuff. And also a lot of people got affected from the storm as well. And also the fire danger in Russell and all that stuff, and also huge dust over western Kansas. So yeah, but anyway, we're playing. Of course, I'm playing. So yeah. But anyway, all the high winds and storms have subsided. So yeah. But I know you guys are gonna be restoring power. So for us, we didn't use power. So yeah. It's really nice. So anyway, I want to show you this ornament. Check this out. So here he is. This is the Bingham ornament. It's on the tree right now. So I have a YouTube short if you guys want to go check it out. So yeah, tomorrow it will be back to the Christmas festivity vlog. So yeah, but I just done a rather dangerous. So yeah, but that was an interesting vlog. So yeah, but anyway, I gotta go ahead and start wrapping up and get it uploaded and edited and get it out to you. So yeah, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you're affected from this danger, wildfires, dust, and severe thunderstorm or tornadoes or anything like that. Just let me know in the comments down below. And also let me know in the comments down below if you got affected with 100-mile-per-hour wind gusts. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below. And make sure to hit subscribe for more videos and more content. And the vlogs are in the cards right here. And remember, it's all adventures right to be. And thanks for watching. Peace. Bye-bye. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the Insulate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Better Bear Camp 17's channel. Until next time, peace.